Hello everyone, my name is Adam Allure and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you how to add your home port. Very important thing to be able to do in Wavve Boating. Very simple steps here. So first, the bottom right, you're going to hit the plus waypoint symbol. From there, you can see a little crosshair. This is where your home port is going to be added. So adjust the map accordingly. You can zoom in, zoom out, pan around. I'm going to scroll down till I see home port. I'm going to tap that. You can see now the home port has now been added to the map. I can add a photo, maybe of my dock, any particular notes, maybe slip 142, done. Then I'm going to hit save. Notified that that point is now added to my map privately. You're not sharing home ports with all of the Wavve Boating community. And there it is, all on the map. So why is this particularly helpful? So if you're out on the water and you quickly need to get a route back home, your home port can be accessed from a few different spots. One in particular, if you hit search, you'll see home port listed right at the top. So I can just tap home port. And from there, I've got my normal navigation functionalities. I can hit navigate. I can auto route from my particular location. I can plot out a manual route. I can add a direction arrow. I can do whatever I need to get home. Also, just want to show you where else the home port lives, and in case you need to adjust it. So if you go to the menu, then you'll see my waypoints. Right there, my home port is listed. So if I tap that, I'll be brought into there. I can see all the details, how far away it is. If I want to measure a distance to it, again, I can navigate to this location. As well, if you tap the three-dot menu at the bottom, you can edit it. And so from here, I can change that information, or if I want to get rid of it and add another one, I can just simply hit delete, and it's gone. That's it. If you need a hand with anything, reach out to our team at community@wavveboating.com, and we'll be very happy to help you. Have a wonderful day out there. Thank you.